Hello, welcome to English for Construction. As always, today we're going to learn more and more. Day number 25, prepare for construction. Okay, here we go. Side organization, a group of people who work together in an organized way for a shared purpose. Site organization is a vital task of all construction projects. Master plan, a comprehensive or far-reaching plan of action. Master plan is critical to the success of the project. Master schedule refers to a project schedule at summary level depicting the key deliverables and milestones. The master schedule develops the milestones. Temporary house, any tent, trailer, mobile home, or other structure used for human shelter that is designed to be transportable and which is not attached to the ground, to another structure, or to any utility system on the same premises for more than 30 consecutive days. The contractors are erecting the temporary house at site. Utility, the state of being useful, profitable, or beneficial. Utilities such as temporary electric and water light used for construction are being installed. Site organization, master plan, master schedule, temporary house, utility. Site organization is a vital task of all construction projects. Master plan is critical to the success of the project. The master schedule develops the milestones. The contractors are erecting the temporary house at site. Utilities such as temporary electric and water light used for construction are being installed. Okay, that's all for today. As always, watch this video as much as you can until you remember everything. And remember to click subscribe button below to learn more about the English for construction. Thanks a lot, and I will see you next time. Enjoy. Bye bye.